Hey everyone, welcome back to Salman Surfs. Today we are at Hyderabad and we are going to witness a well-designed 3 BHK residence from Tinton and Shade. Every episode we have introduced a lot of designers. I have someone whose roots are from Punjab and a very strong, inspiring woman from Delhi. Welcome Saral. And I think I've been planning this for a while. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi guys, I'm Sarvit Kaur. I'm from Delhi.
I'm glad that we are doing this together and we have been trying to align this for quite some time. So what could they expect today? What is the theme?
So I will say how the simplicity give the luxury looks with the in a budget friendly way.
Let's head together.
Sure.
Let's take the long walk.
Quickly we're going to be see all things in the
What's the
walkthrough.
one word they said like you mentioned before?
Mashallah.
Okay, great. So let us go. I hope we get good feedback.
Sure.
I'm also excited to see what has come out.
Sure.
Yes.
Hi, sir.
Assalamualaikum.
Bye.
Hi.
Welcome.
Salman. Assalamualaikum. Thank you so much.
Hi.
This is so sweet. I didn't expect this.
Thank you.
Thank you. And first of all, thank you so much for giving Tinton and Shade the opportunity. How was your journey with Tinton and Shade?
The journey was very good, especially with Saral. It was extraordinary, and all of your team were very helpful and very cooperative. Well, initially we planned something else, and it was
Okay.
complete disaster, I should say.
Okay.
But then Saral came into the place, and then she took it as and like the entire design how we wanted and like what calm and what peace we expected from our home. So she
Okay.
designed it in the way, and then you can feel it. I hope
Yes,
you
of
are
course.
also feeling.
Yeah, of course.
the-
Okay, I mean, let us start with this wall. This is the first
Exactly.
feature wall which we could see.
Yeah,
So,
that's our
what
wall.
have you done, Saral, here? Like, what was your design here?
So here I will come with the idea ma'am had mentioned she want to add resin work here with the this
Yeah, they
dua
come really
slogans.
beautiful, yeah.
So with that idea I come up with the proportionate all the beading works and the POP
All these are
punnings.
POP punnings,
Yes,
right?
the POP
Yeah.
punnings.
It also looks like a panel, right?
Yes.
Like it is not a heavy design, but then again feels like a design element has been properly executed here.
Proper.
What else you have done apart from this? You have another wall here. Again, you
Yes.
have used POP punning, but
Exactly.
then different kind of pattern.
Yeah.
So, what did you want to do before, and how did you arrive at this?
So basically, as ma'am is put the hijab, so I understand the privacy.
Yeah.
Like she mentioned that she always put the hijab. Okay, then I make this area as a formal area. When the people come, they can sit here. They can keep their face on this wall, not in a private place.
Understood.
That's why. I make this area very, a very walk one. If the guests come, they have their own zone. They don't disturb their private space.
Let us head to the living
Sure.
room, which I believe you guys would have added more elements. Even though this is like one wall, it's more than enough for this room to highlight. It's
Exactly.
a dua wall, of course, for the nazar and everything.
Yeah.
So let's head here. This is really come out well. Again, the idea behind this. Yes, tell me, sir, your design. What are the features? How come you narrowed down on this?
When I come up with this design, so you can see the element of the black tinted with the black profile. Just swap this panel work.
Okay.
We swap to the right side and we shift it to the left side because only for this pointer.
Okay. And you have given grooves behind,
Yeah.
and not the usual TV unit. You've also had a bit of a curves on the edges.
Yes.
So what we have done here, opposite to that, again you have done some linear, charcoal element with punning itself that I could see.
So first of all, I did Islamic.
You did some research?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Islamic research and
Okay.
properly for his ma'am and everything. It's
Okay.
how it's going to become the unit, what they needed, what is panjas, what is everything.
Okay.
I research all the things with my help of my Muslim colleagues and
Okay.
everything. I just go with all the things. I make a notes. Okay, I cross check with the ma'am. This is
Okay.
what you want. This is what. In the WhatsApp group, she's a very active one. She give me all the
How
details.
did you understood the sizes
I just follow up the ma'am and
Yeah,
sir.
we actually
Yeah.
discussed what we wanted to place in there, and then we
Okay.
gave her provided her the
Exact-
measurements. Like, suppose this will be the length of the objects and what we wanted over there as like the alam and the panjas, and then she decided how it is going to be the stepwise. If you see, it's there in this,
Yeah.
kind of a step, and that's create whatever we needed as our.
Okay, I'm very much glad that the clients are happy. That is more than important. But again, you have successfully, accepted one challenge.
Yes.
So let us go and witness your next important
Next
challenge.
one, yes.
Which would have been kitchen, of course.
Sure.
So I wanted this place where I would love to do my work. It should not be a hurdle. It should not be kind of a burden for me. So earlier, the previous plans, the initial plans, I should say, was a disaster again.
Okay. What was the initial plan?
Because the things was the storage which we were planning was not sufficient, and
Okay.
the design was not coming out well. As
So you
we
didn't
wanted.
have this opening or the
No,
way-
actually, this was a closed kitchen.
Oh, it's a closed kitchen.
It was
okay.
a closed kitchen, and then we, under like with her guidance, I should say, with her
Okay.
help, we tried to make it an open kitchen, because
Very
definitely
well
we
done.
didn't want
Yeah.
the entire open kitchen, because this
Yeah.
would hurdle the storage space
So
over
that
there.
it
as well.
feels not smaller now.
Exactly,
Maybe
it's
if the
open.
wall would have been
Yeah.
closed, I don't think even 2-3 people standing inside would have
Right,
become.
yes.
A claustro one.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah.
So whatever, ma'am,
Hmm.
the first thing she said, Sarpit, I wanted my kitchen a very good one because I want to make a food. I want to like a very good mood. I don't
Okay.
want to waste.
Yeah.
With a bad mood, I don't want to come into my kitchen.
That's true.
For sure, ma'am, don't worry. I will take care of your all
The
these.
kitchen is something, if it is planned well, people would
Exactly.
come with the same
Exactly. Agree.
energy, and they would
Yes.
want to come and enjoy cooking.
Agree,
So
agree.
that is there. Okay, I think again dining, you have a simple dining. You didn't want to have a crockery.
No,
unit.
actually
Okay.
not, because we have sufficient of space over here, so we didn't want any extra storage in the dining area.
Okay. Yeah, I think this is comfortable to go
Yes.
and come. If you had the
Yes.
unit, then this
The walking
entire
space is
thing would have
also
come,
reduced,
and
yeah.
again this also wouldn't have been
Yes.
possible. So
Yes.
let us head to the bedroom, like
Sure.
the master bedroom, the other bedrooms. So this is the master.
Yeah, this is the master bedroom.
Here you had any specific brief, ma'am, like you wanted to achieve?
So for this room, our main intention was to have a proper study for
Okay.
the kids, for us, me being a teacher, me being a professional. So I
Wow.
also need to have a
What do
working
you
space.
teach? Like if
I teach senior secondary business studies and entrepreneurship.
Wow, mashallah, that's great. So what all you have done? How did you convince the client to come up with this, designs?
So here the one thing which I faced, like there's a column and the beam running out.
Oh, as a structural component.
Exactly.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what I did, I made them a beautification, like I did the beautification on these two particular elements. I don't want a heavy paneling and something, the woodwork and something. To avoid that, I make within a gypsum board with a
Nice.
cove light,
Great. And you also made some curves.
the curves.
Yeah,
Because-
everywhere I've seen you
exactly.
have bought in certain curve elements, and it looks good. It
Exactly.
looks aesthetically, it has come out well. So this is done.
Yeah.
Like once again, we didn't face too much with heavy panels, but
Exactly.
still, the main agenda was to make sure you hide the beam,
Beam and
the
column.
structural element,
Yes.
and also by doing that, we did it very creatively. So that has come out really well. With
I will
even
say
the
that it's a smart work.
smart work. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, finally I could see a dresser. I was just, I was trying to figure out where is the dresser, because when you told me walking wardrobe, I assumed that there will be
Okay,
both
only
the
the wardrobes.
sides, there will be wardrobes, and then I thought, okay, maybe they don't need a dresser or something.
Yeah.
Anyways, like here it is. Wow.
Yeah.
So again, you had any challenges with it, or you got what you
This
wanted?
place was actually demanded by my husband to Saral.
Exactly.
Okay. So this was a surprise for you.
Not
Kind of,
surprise.
not a surprise.
Okay.
I was there in the all the plannings and all. I was
Okay.
knowing, I was aware of the things. But at the end, he wanted me to feel special.
Yes.
So this was the area which he planned for me with the help of
Nice.
Saral.
And here, this is your wardrobe.
Yeah, this is mine.
So I think this entire thing is for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I
Nice.
just say that I want to highlight that sir come up with a very pooky request.
Pooky request. Okay. Why
that
is
this space is for my wife. Okay.
So how satisfied you are with the master
This
bedroom?
is definitely the best thing.
Like out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Great. Okay, let us head to the other bedrooms. Your good name, sir?
My good name is Ehsan.
Ehsan.
Yeah.
Okay. Like, you know, in this room, what I can see is instead of even going for punning, with the paint shade itself,
Yes.
they have given it variation. So,
Yes. Yes.
So it's like every room wise we have a theme. So
Okay.
as per the theme, the watch and everything is decided.
Nice.
So the highlighted wall, if you see, it is Saral design only.
Okay.
So like if you see the dimension of the bed, the extension, like extra table is there. You
Yes,
can
the side table, yeah.
keep something there. Then
Okay.
I have study table
Or you
also
can
for
also
me.
charge your phones.
Yes.
Oh, here
There's
also
a
you have a
small
study
my
table.
office
Okay.
and study table.
And again, you have a mirror.
Yeah.
The
So that is the
mirror.
plus point for me.
Okay.
Because first we thought mirror will be within the wardrobe only, but
Okay.
it was not coming good. The design was not proper.
It would have been the usual one. Like you
Yes.
have seen many wardrobes, they mostly have mirrors on the shutter. So I think this is good. Like you have got a unit which looks really rich and
Yes.
premium, rather than since you have got the profile shutter, the mirror would have looked really odd. This is good, great. I think like you said, you guys have made sure that this shade is all over the house.
Yes.
That is why the house has come out really well. We need to actually have one feature which is
Yes.
Agreed.
going
That is
throughout the house, and I think some of you guys have aligned together and made sure this was possible. I wanted you guys to tell me how was your rating 1 to 5 on sales and design part.
Okay, sales and designs, I should say, for the design, when from the moment Saral took over, it's 5 on 5.
Okay, so design, as soon as Saral stepped in, it was 5 out of
It's
5.
5.
And for operations, the execution,
Operations, I should say 4 out of 5.
4
Definitely.
out of 5. Okay.
Definitely.
Really enjoyed the entire walkthrough with you guys.
Thank you
So
so
thank
much.
you once again for
Most welcome.
giving us the opportunity. And inshallah, I also wish you guys to purchase more properties where we could be part of it and make inshallah. Thank you so much. Anyways, I've enjoyed this beautiful home walkthrough in Hyderabad. And if you are a homeowner and who you are living in Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, or Dubai, do reach out to us. We will be at your service, and I would love to do such more and more walkthrough series with all of you. So thank you so much. I'm signing off, and I'll meet you guys again in the next episode. Thank you.